Welcome back, everybody, to my channel. One Mechanic here, Dave, and today is a SnapOn tool haul. And I really don't buy as many tools as I used to, stuff like that. But one of the tools that I bought, and it wasn't a SnapOn, but I did buy this off a SnapOn truck, was a pair of Knipex before they became popular. And you can see it says Knipex, but see, it was rebranded by SnapOn. And I use these all the time. I got these, honestly I don't know how long ago. 10 years ago, maybe longer. I use them a lot, and they have been phenomenal. Recently, there's been some times where I needed to go to get a bigger one, and I wanted a hat, a SnapOn hat. There's very few hats that fit this fat head, so this one did. And it was actually kind of a retro hat. I'll leave a picture right here of the hat. People on Instagram that follow me, you've seen it. But to get the hat, I had to buy something. And since I've been wanting a bigger set of these anyway, I thought I'd order some. And my dealer's new, so he wasn't familiar with Knipex, what Knipex is or anything else. And the regional manager's on it, and he told me that SnapOn has never rebranded Knipex. Right there? See it? Right there? Whatever. So, I went ahead and ordered. Still got them in the box. So, ordered these. Next size up. Same feature, push button. I mean, we've all seen the Knipex, stuff like that. And like I said, there have been some times I wanted a bigger one. And this is a part number 8701250. There you go. They had to order it out of their specialty catalog. I don't know if you guys know this, but SnapOn can pretty much buy any tool out there just about. They do have a specialty catalog. Sometimes it's a good price, sometimes it's not. My buddy here actually ordered an SP grinder, or a hot day, a cutoff tool. It's the same cutoff tool that the head flexes on. It used to be a Mac only tool for a long time, and now SP's released it to everybody else. And he bought that, and actually he got a really good deal on it. Didn't ask for it, anything else. It's just the way it worked out. So just because it comes off the SnapOn truck doesn't always mean it is more expensive. And actually, I haven't looked, but these cost me $51.75 from the SnapOn truck. I'm not really sure what they are. I know my Mac guy has them, but he has them in packages of 3. I don't want all 3. But I got that, and then I was feeling froggy, and I bought these. These are the 16-inch ones, and I don't see a part number on it. Kind of weird. Nope. think that's the part number right there. So these are the 16-inch Cobras. Again, push button, same feature. Has the awesome grip on it. And this from SnapOn was $127. So I'm sure I could have gotten this one a little bit cheaper, but truck was here, and you know, the SnapOn guy, he's a local guy, a local vendor and stuff like that, small business if you will. So, and I didn't pay shipping on it. I gave it back to him for warranty. You know, I got proof, bought it from them. But Knipex is, from what I understand, good on warranty. I've never had to warranty any of their stuff. But that being said, this is my SnapOn tool haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And again, any questions or comment, leave below, and we'll see you for the next time. One Mechanic out. Ciao. That's neat. So this nut had backed off and let the switch drop and wasn't locked in. Cool.